Hey there, Crash Course viewers. Today, we're diving into a pivotal moment in history, the Balfour Declaration of 1917. Picture this. World War I is raging. Empires are crumbling. The Middle East, then under Ottoman rule, is a cauldron of different cultures and aspirations. For centuries, the Ottoman Empire had controlled a vast territory, including the region we now know as Israel and Palestine. But by the 1900s, the Ottoman Empire was weakening. Nationalism was on the rise, and different groups were vying for independence. Meanwhile, across Europe, a movement called Zionism was gaining momentum. Zionism called for a Jewish homeland, and many Jews saw Palestine, with its deep historical and religious significance, as the ideal location. Enter the Balfour Declaration, a 67-word document that would reverberate through history. Issued by the British government in 1917, it was a letter from British Foreign Secretary Arthur James Balfour to Lord Walter Rothschild, a prominent Zionist leader. The declaration stated that the British government viewed with favour the establishment in Palestine of a national home for the Jewish people. It also emphasised that nothing should be done to prejudice the civil and religious rights of existing non-Jewish communities in Palestine. Now, this declaration was a big deal. It was the first time a major world power had officially endorsed the idea of a Jewish homeland in Palestine. But it was also incredibly controversial. Let's meet the key players. Arthur Balfour, the British Foreign Secretary, was a seasoned politician. He saw the strategic importance of Palestine and believed that supporting Zionist aspirations could benefit British interests. Then there's Lord Rothschild, a leader of the British Jewish community and a fervent supporter of Zionism. The Balfour Declaration, however, wasn't just about these two men. It was a product of complex political maneuvering and wartime alliances. Britain, locked in a struggle with the Ottoman Empire, saw potential in garnering Jewish support, both at home and abroad. The Balfour Declaration's legacy is complex and contested. It ignited hope for a Jewish homeland, but also fueled tensions in Palestine. It set in motion a chain of events that ultimately led to the creation of Israel in 1948, an event met with joy by many Jews, but also with displacement and hardship for many Palestinians. The Balfour Declaration remains a sensitive topic, a reminder of the enduring power of words and the enduring struggle for peace and justice in the Middle East. That's it for today, Crash Course viewers. Until next time, keep learning.